Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
A Battle of Manners. Alicia wasn't like other princesses. She was useless at sword fighting and hopeless with magic, and she had never been cursed into an enchanted sleep. She was just a regular princess who enjoyed embroidering tapestries and dancing. And Alicia was also fabulous when it came to displaying good manners, although most people thought that was a useless skill. When rumors spread about a dragon in the kingdom, people became worried. They knew Annalicia couldn't fight it, turn it into a newt, or sleep through the dragon's visit while a handsome prince took care of things. How would they ever feel safe? When the dragon swooped into the castle courtyard, everyone ran for cover. Except Annalicia. Any princess with good manners knows how guests ought to be treated. She curtsied and introduced herself to the dragon. The dragon frowned. Shouldn't the princess scream? He tried roaring fiercely. The princess merely offered him a handkerchief. Well, nobody could beat a dragon in battle, even if it was only a battle of manners. Grudgingly, he gave a small bow.
"I'm Red Flame,"
he huffed.
"I need to kidnap you before the Dragon Ball. I'm trying to impress my girlfriend."
Annalicia did not want to be kidnapped by a dragon. Fortunately, good manners held the answer. "I'm sorry," she replied. "Do you have an appointment?"
No,"
Red Flame said. Annalicia checked her calendar. "Let's meet next Friday to discuss the matter." She wrote the time and date on a card and held it out.
"Wait,"
the dragon began. But Annalicia was marching back into the castle. "I'm so looking forward to your next visit," she called, swishing through the doorway. An idea was forming in her mind. Red Flame didn't want to look ill-mannered. There was plenty of time before the Dragon Ball. He flew home. On Friday, he was back. The previous visit had been a disaster. How had he allowed a princess to order him around? This time he'd kidnap her and be done with it.
"You're a bit early,"
a wobbly-kneed butler said.
"The princess will be with you shortly."
Red Flame snarled in fury. He considered eating the butler, but that would be bad manners indeed. He sat down and gnawed on a stone wall in frustration. Within a few minutes, the princess came out, carrying something rolled up under her arm. "I'm so sorry I wasn't here to greet you. What a pleasure to see you again. Let me offer you some refreshments." At a wave of her hand, the servants brought out a table and chairs, along with milk and cookies. A lot of milk and cookies. You can't kidnap someone while eating. That would be rude. With the dragon seated across from her, Annalicia sat at the table. She placed a napkin over the rolled-up object in her lap and took a nibble of cookie. Red Flame wanted to stuff a whole plate of cookies into his mouth, but he refused to lose a battle of good behavior. He dropped a single cookie into his massive jaws. This was going to take forever. Annalicia made pleasant conversation, asking about the dragon's friends and family. He knew that if he didn't reply in kind, he'd lose. When the cookies were finally gone, the princess and the dragon got down to business.
"About the kidnapping,"
Red Flame began. "You typically kidnap friends?" Annalicia asked.
"Of course not,"
Red Flame exclaimed.
"It's the worst kind of manners to kidnap a friend, but that doesn't apply here."
"Really?" the princess asked. "What do you think makes someone a friend?" Red Flame thought.
"I do things with my friends. We talk. Sometimes we give each other gifts."
Annalicia looked at the empty table. "Didn't we just do something together?" she asked. "Didn't we just talk? Didn't I give you cookies?"
"Cookies don't count!"
Red Flame roared, hoping this was true. Alicia nodded.
which is why I've made you a gift.
She took the rolled-up object off her lap and held it out.
I think your girlfriend will love this.
She unrolled a tapestry featuring a familiar dragon looking particularly handsome. Red Flame was astonished.
I can't accept it,
He mumbled.
It's too much.
Nonsense,
Annalicia replied.
Friends help friends. You want to impress your girlfriend. I'm good at embroidery. It seemed a perfect fit. Besides, you've given me the gift of not kidnapping me. I'm still in your debt. Bring your girlfriend by, and I'll teach you both how to dance the minuet.
Red Flame knew a good deal when he heard it. Annalicia's people never complained about their princess again. True, she wasn't a warrior or a sorceress or enchanted, but she was well-mannered, and that seemed to be plenty, at least when it came to dragons.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.